Hello and welcome back. In this class, we will understand another very important operator in C programming language, and this operator is there in all the other programming languages, and this is one of the very important operator that we need to understand. So we will understand this concept very slowly, and I request you to watch this video as many times as possible until you get the clarity. So what is that operator? It is ternary operator. So the operator is both these symbols are used in ternary operator, question mark and semicolon. So what is this operator and why? What is meant by ternary? Ternary means, the dictionary meaning says that it is anything which composed of three parts. That is what we call it as ternary operator. So ternary, the dictionary meaning, and as this operator is having three parts, three operands. See, why the name ternary operator is because it is the only operator with three operands. So this is the operator which is having three operands. So that is why it is called as ternary operator. Now what is the use of this ternary operator? The use of the ternary operator is to take a decision based on the result of a condition. So based upon the result of a particular condition, we are going to take a decision. So if the result is true, so this part has to be executed. If the result is false, another part has to be executed. So we'll try to understand that concept by using an example. So here is the example that we have taken. This is a programming example. So what is the job done by this program is, so this is going to decide, so given the age, so this program is going to decide whether this age is eligible for drive test or not. For a candidate to take a drive test, whether this age is eligible or not. What is the value stored in this age variable? It is 24. Now the condition. So what are the symbols that are used in ternary operator? It is question mark and this semicolon. Okay, now this is the first operand. As we have discussed it, that it is going to have three operands. So the first operand is this condition. The result, based upon the result of this condition, we are going to decide which one has to be executed. So what is the result of this condition? Age greater than 18. Is the value of age greater than 18? Yes, it is 24. 24 is greater than 18. Now the result of this is true. So it is going to produce an outcome of true, 1. If the result is true, if the condition is going to produce an outcome of 1, then this part has to be executed. So whatever that is there after the question mark and in between the question mark and semicolon, whatever that is there, only that part will get executed. So we have taken a decision to execute this part of this entire operator. Now if the condition produces an outcome of 0, let's assume that the age is 14. If age is greater than 18, 14 greater than 18, no, it is not greater. If the condition produces an outcome of 0, the condition produces an outcome of 0, now after the semicolon part, whatever that is there after the semicolon, that one will get executed. Now let's see this part again. Age is 24. 24 greater than 18. Yes, it is true. Now what is going to be printed? This part will get printed, eligible for drive test. Now let's assume that if the value of age is 14. 14 greater than 18. Is it true? No, it is not true. So this part will get executed, which is not eligible for test. Okay, so this is our first operand, this is our second operand, and this is our third operand. So that is why the name ternary. We are having, so this is the only operator which works on three operands. Try to understand this. One single expression which is having three operands, and this has the ability to take the decision. Try to understand this concept, because you are entering into the abilities of programming language, which is decision making. Try to understand this. Okay. So the decision has been taken and the outcome is going to be eligible for drive test. Okay. That's it about ternary operator. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching the complete video. You have come to this point means we are hoping that you are enjoying our content. You are enjoying our content and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. We will post at least one video every day. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And after watching every video, please like our content. Your likes will help us a lot in growing. And share the content to all your friends and family members. That will help us to grow